Welcome to the Esther Show. Let's get together and have fun. Interviews, games and tips, entertainment for the kids. Welcome to Esther Fun. Lots of laughing to be done. Welcome to the Esther Show.
Hi guys, today we are at Worcester playing war thing, and so we're gonna have lots of fun and let's just have some fun. So let's see you later.
This is B-24, and the B-24 was one of the first planes that struck Japan off an aircraft carrier, which was unbelievable because they're so big, okay? And the B-24 was all over between Europe and Japan and the Pacific, I should say. And when you get big, you'll be flying jets. Very good. How old are you? 7. Nice.
Or do I? Oh my goodness. You gonna ask me questions? Oh goodness. I'm Ryan Keogh with the Wings of Freedom Tour in the Collings Foundation, and I'm out here with all of our World War II airplanes. All these airplanes that you see out here, we fly to over 110 cities around the country each year. So these airplanes fly like the barnstormers back in the 1920s. So they fly from city to city, and they give rides on board these airplanes so that people can get a chance to fly aboard and see what it was like to fly in these airplanes 75 years ago.
Look at this car.
Hi, I'm Rob Collings with the Collings Foundation, and behind me is the F-4U Corsair. This was built by Vought in Dallas, Texas, and used in the skies over Korea. This particular aircraft flew off the USS Essex and flew 88 combat hours during the Korean conflict. Also out here in Worcester, we have an A-36, a dive bomber version of the Mustang. This P-40C Tomahawk was at Pearl Harbor on December 7th, 1941 when it was attacked. Along with it is a B-24 Liberator, the last flying Liberator left in the world today, a Spitfire, a Skyraider, a B-25, and hopefully tomorrow even a B-17.
This is B-25 Neutral.
My name is Thaddeus Jones, and this is Worcester, Massachusetts. I'm with the Collings Foundation, and we're here on the Wings of Freedom tour. We have multiple World War II airplanes. We have a B-17, which is not here. It's up in Vermont. They're repairing an engine. Should be here tomorrow. We also have a B-24, which is a 4-engine World War II bomber. And the plane you see behind me is the B-25 Mitchell. It's a 2-engine bomber used all over the world in all the campaigns during World War II. It was used as a bomber. It was used as a strafer. It sunk ships. The B-25 attacked railroad yards throughout Europe. And now I'm here with Esther. This is Esther's show. So, if it's your show, do you sing or dance or anything?
Do random things.
You do random things. That's kind of like what goes on inside my mind. Anyway, so Esther, this is a YouTube interview, and you're going to be putting this on the air. So, do you like World War II bombers?
What is that?
That's what we're standing in front of. That over there is a B-25 bomber used in World War II. And the men flying in it averaged an age from 18 to 22. They were all very young men. So would you think you'd like to be a pilot someday? Yeah? Would you like to fly one of these planes?
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't know how to fly them. I'm not a pilot. No, I call me a flight engineer. I help the people on the plane. If it was really in a war, I'd be helping them fly the plane and drop bombs. But then people would be trying to kill me. And this is a hell of a lot more fun. So, I don't know what else to say. Here we are in beautiful Worcester Regional Airport, having a ball with Esther. Thank you.
Bye guys, please subscribe, comment down below, and I hope you have a great day, and see you later. Goodbye.